Welcome friends. If you see the GST journey, GST has celebrated the 4th anniversary and the 5th year is going on. With an objective of one nation, one market, one tax, GST has brought so many changes. GST for some of the entrepreneur and the business owner has become a good and simple tax, while for some it become a gabbersome tax. Now the questions here is that goods and service tax is really mean for the entrepreneur and the business owner, or some more or different tax system the India should implement. So these questions, if entrepreneur and the business owner think that yes, some another tax system should be implemented, it means they are into the wrong directions. Because if you see the objective of the GST, it is providing equal opportunities for the entrepreneur and the business owner to run their business. There is no any kind of the importance to the business owner at the one class and giving some tax burden or more penalized provisions to the other tax persons. This is not that kind of. Every person has a similar tax. What you have to do here is that you have to understand the concept of the goods and service tax and apply to your business. If you ask me about the benefit of the goods and service tax, then there are dozens of benefits. I am just listing out some of the benefits that can help you to understand then why GST is a good and simple tax. The number one benefit here is that eliminations of cascading effect of the tax. This is one of the biggest benefit in the entrepreneur and the business owner, and finally to the consumer point of view. What happened erstwhile is that there was a tax on tax, goods and service taxes of the current date, but when you go into the erstwhile taxations, there was an VAT, CST, service tax, and many more taxations. So there was no any clarities that what transactions would not be on tax basis, or what transactions would not be on tax basis. There was no any clarities, complete manual interventions, complete department creating a problem for the entrepreneur and the business owner by issuing the manual notices. But if you see here, because of eliminations of cascading effect of the tax, the entrepreneur and the business owner have only one tax, whether they are pitching to a one customer or a thousands of the customer, they are liable for only one tax, that is called goods and service tax. The second more benefit here is for the logistic and the courier industries business. How they will suffer more when they are in the erstwhile taxations, the complete manual interventions of the babus and the authorities. Now look at the ways how e-way bill has provided a complete solutions of transportations of the goods and the other elements across India. You do not need to consult with any babu, connect with any babu, any authority. You simply need to generate the e-way bill and move your goods friendly, frequently, timely, wherever you want. That's not a problem. This is how the e-way bill has provided a complete system to the entrepreneur and the business owner who are in the logistic and courier business. They are more happy. This is how the system of goods and service tax is provided. One nation, one tax, one market, and it has created one more benefit that is particular to the entrepreneur and the business owner to fight in the domestic and international market with the stagnant pricings. Now because there is no eliminations of the tax on tax, eliminations of tax on tax is completely not in a system. Entrepreneur and the business owner is able to price their business with the clarities of the tax, that is goods and service tax. So competitions in the domestic and international markets become a very dynamic and acceptable. This is understand why the competitor as well and the business partner. There is no any kind of ambiguities about the tax. The roadmap of the goods and service tax that has been provided to the entrepreneur and the business owner with the simplicity, and there is more creativity in goods and service tax. So this is more helping to the entrepreneur and the business owner to run their business effectively without any hurdle in the goods and service tax implementations and applications. Goods and service tax, because of one common rates and one common markets, helping to the entrepreneur and the business owner to run their business across India. Because when you are running your business in West Bengal or you're running your business in Maharashtra, doesn't matter, because rates are same for both of the state. So running the business is becoming easy for the entrepreneur and the business owner. There is a practical, these all are the practical benefits to the entrepreneur and the business owner, and they realize this. They realize it. How this was helping to the entrepreneur at the point when it was introduced in India. Now it has become a very more opportunity and optimistic market to the entrepreneur and the business owner, and they are driving their business effectively with the help of goods and service tax. So if you are into the business, you are running your business effectively, make sure that you are also maintaining your GST. You are complying with the GST, because once you are non-compliant with the GST, it will kill your business. You will not able to run your business effectively over the period of the time. Make sure that you are compliant with the goods and service tax. This is Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.